Welcome to a demonstration of Elmos's Application Support Center. I will briefly look at the online tool using a buck regulator as an example. At Elmos's homepage, under the Products heading, we see Power Products. I click DC to DC Converter. That brings me into a parametric table that shows the various DC to DC converters. You'll notice in the comment there's an Application Support Center in each. I click Application Support Center. Note the Language button in the upper right-hand corner. Here I can select Simplified Chinese. The Part Selection tab has the filter parameters of the application, where I can select buck, I/O parameters, where I can put an input voltage of 15 volts, an output of 5 with a load of 1 amp. And you'll notice how it immediately filters. I can also filter on the number of channels and the package. I want to select the E522.07 device. Opening up into design requirements, we see a basic functional diagram that helps give you a better visual on how the part operates. I want to create the design. I'm now generating a schematic where all of the components will be calculated. We're now under the Analyze tab. You'll notice that there are current meters here, and that gives you the measurements in the simulation. And here's voltage, VN, that's what these look like. The items in blue are editable. Here's an inductor that you can edit. You can run a transient analysis, steady state analysis, and startup analysis. I like to run a transient analysis because it can tell you a lot about the circuit's stability. And playing with the part will give you a better understanding of how it operates. Okay, our simulation was successful. And here's the simulation. You've got output simulation, IC, input simulation, or here's all of the simulations. I like to put all of them in, and then I X them all out and show what I want to see. So I want to look at the output voltage and the load current. And here you can see the load. Here I can zoom in. The load is going from 1 amp down to 100 milliamps, and the output voltage is 5 volts. And you can see you can see that right there. I can continue to zoom in. I can make measurements. Moving on to the BOM tab, you see we have to log in. You can log in if you're already registered, or you can register. Here I will log in. Now we see the complete bill of materials, which has a downloadable Excel spreadsheet. Finally, the summary. This shows the operating conditions, the bill of materials, your design schematic, and any simulation results that were performed. Once I've finished my design, I save it. Give it a name, put a comment down. I could save it. If I save it, I can also share it. I could put an email in of a designer I know. I can give them read or read-write privileges and send information. Selecting the More button gives you a few more options for sharing and accessing designs. Finally, the feedback. Just like design is an iterative process, online tools are iterative. Your feedback will improve your experience by helping us evolve the tool. Please use the feedback button and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching.